Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mink V3 Easy Guide. First, find the official repository or trusted marketplace and confirm the Mink V3 tag. Download the release package, verify checksums, and inspect release notes for dependencies. Prepare your environment by installing required libraries and backing up configuration. Run the installer or build from source following included README steps, then restart services and verify Mink V3 is running properly. Next, choose your installation method and prepare any hardware or virtual environment required. If you prefer pre-built packages, select the matching package for your OS and architecture, then install using your package manager. For source builds, clone the repo, check out the Mink V3 tag, install build tools, and run the build scripts. After installation, apply recommended configuration, test core features, and monitor logs for errors or warnings to confirm stability. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more concise guides. Quick recommendation. Check out the book seen here, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It pairs oddly well with learning system upgrades. Look in the description for the link and other deals to support the channel, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Now we cover configuration and troubleshooting steps to get Mink V3 stable. Edit configuration files carefully, keeping backups and using example configs for guidance. Tune performance settings, set appropriate memory and thread limits, and enable recommended plugins. For common errors, consult logs, search error messages, and reapply missing dependencies or permission fixes. Reboot services after changes and run validation tests to ensure features operate as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.